My name is Christine. I am a social and healthcare worker. Every day I do my best to support and help patients in their everyday lives and to make sure they feel well and safe. In my work, I'm sometimes confronted with a situation where a patient has fallen and needs help getting back on their feet. It can be a time-consuming task, and quite often it takes more than one person to lift the patient. For the patient, this means waiting in a precarious situation, which can at the same time feel degrading because she or he is dependent on outside help. By using Raizer as a lifting device, we improve our working environment because the lift must not be undertaken manually. Thus, we protect ourselves and reduce the risk of back injuries. At the same time, we can lift the fallen person in a calm, safe and dignified way. It is important to me to be able to offer help quickly and at the same time ensure the safety of the patient. In my daily life, where time is of the essence, using Raizer is a great help to me and my colleagues. It saves us time and we can focus on creating presence. My name is Christine. I use Raizer in my everyday work.